Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see whether a number is existed or not in the given list. Okay, I am going to show you in three methods. One is using for loop, and second one is using set function, and and in operator. And finally, final one is using sort method and bisect left function. So this third method is something special. We will look into it. Okay. Let's see the first method. It is a very simple and basic method. Create a list, test list like 1, 6, 3, 5, 3, 4. Print checking if 4 exists in list using set function and in operator. Okay. For I in okay, first let's look into for loop. So it might be easy for you using for loop. For I in test list, if in case if I is equal to 4, print element exists. It is straightforward. If given I is present in the list, then it prints element exists. Okay, let's run this. Okay, this contains the 4, that's why it prints that element exists. Now let's take a look into the second method. First create a list. I'm just doing copy and paste here. I'm using the same list. Print checking if 4 exists in list. Now I am going to using set operator, set function and in operator. Okay. Now apply the set function on the test list to only get unique values. Test list set is equal to apply the set function. So if you apply set function on the at any given list, it just returns the unique values. Okay. Test list. So if 4 in case if 4 in test list set, then print element exists. So if this given number is present in the test list set, it prints elements exist. Okay, let's run this. Great. The given list contains the 4, that's why it prints elements exists. Okay. Now let's see the final method using bisect left. For this, we need to import bisect left from bisect. Let's import this from bisect, import bisect left. Okay. So this bisect left method finds and returns the position at which an element is presented in a list. Okay. So it finds an element and it returns the position of that element. Let's create a list. I'm using same list. If you want to try with different list, you can try. Bisect let's change the variable. Print checking if 4 exists in list using sort and bisect left. So before applying bisect left method, you need to sort the list. First, you need to sort the list. Test list bisect dot sort. Okay. Now, if bisect left of test list bisect comma 4, so if 4 is 1 minute, if this 4 is present in test list bisect, then it prints element exists. Okay, so if the given number is present in the test list bisect, this bisect left checks whether the given number is present in the list or not. Okay, let's run this. Great, we got the given test list set has 4, that's why it prints element exists. Okay guys, keep on practice. Thank you, bye bye.